Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create a playlist on YouTube Music. So first you just have to log into your YouTube and then search for the specific song that you wanted to add to your playlist. Okay, and then you just have to tap that one and look for the three dots that is beside share. And you can see here save video too. And below you can see there create a playlist. Now you can enter playlist name here. For example, I'm going to name this as TS songs. And then for privacy, you have choices like private, public, and unlisted. So let's just say I want to set this to public, and then tap create. And that's it. Now you have your new playlist on your YouTube. So let's just say if you want to create another one, then search and look for another song, and you have to do the same thing. You just have to click save and then tap this create new playlist. Actually, you can save this to any of your playlists here, but if you want to create one, you have to tap this create new playlist, type new name or name of that playlist, and then privacy. You can set this again to public, unlisted, and private. So let me tap private and then click create, and that's it. Now you can add more songs. You just have to simply tap this three dots, go to save to, and then select the playlist. Okay, so that's how easy it is to create playlists on YouTube Music.
Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.